Good morning, student. Today, my subject name is Wireless and Mobile Communication, in which we learn the difference between the multiple access schemes. These multiple access schemes are time division, frequency division, and code division multiple access schemes. In case of TDMA, same frequency is shared by the user, but it divided into different time slot. In frequency division multiple access schemes, available frequency is divided into different channels, whereas in case of code division multiple access, same frequency is shared by the user but divided into specific codes. Here I am already designed the table for these three different multiple access schemes. Started from the spectrum, which means the bandwidth is divided into different spectrum for the different channels. In case of TDMA and FDMA, there is no need of the spectrum, but it available in case of code division multiple access. And the frequency is constant for the time division and the code division multiple access, but is assigned as per the user in case of frequency division multiple access. Moving to the maximum user, in case of TDMA, the user are available according to the available time slots, where in case of FDMA, according to the band of frequency, maximum user are available, but in case of code division multiple access schemes, unlimited users are available. And time slot, in case of TDMA, time slot is available. It is divided according to the spectrum into the different time slots. But in case of FDMA and TDM, there is no need of time slot. LDH channel is only available in case of TDMA for transmitting and receiving the channels, because the start and stop bit is sent in case of TDMA. Duplexer means the antenna is worked same as a transmitter or as a receiver, but the duplexer is not available in case of TDMA, but available in case of FDMA and CDMA. This is the basic difference between these three multiple access scheme, which is enough for the final exam questions, and this question is always repeated in the final exam. Thank you.